Hello everyone, welcome back to PMAT1100. The section I'm covering today is the last section of the course, so this video will be the last video of the course. The last section we're doing today is section 4.8. In this section, we'll be learning how to add or subtract algebraic expression. We also learn how to apply distributive property to multiply algebraic expression together. Other than that, we also learn through some application of adding and subtracting algebraic expression. So let's get started. Okay, so section 4.8. Adding and subtracting multiplying algebraic expression that's a very long title. In previous section, you already know what algebraic expression, right? Algebraic expression including addition or subtraction, and it including algebraic term, right? The variable term and the constant term. So you already know that. Okay. So first of all, I'm gonna talk about adding or subtracting algebraic expression. First Roman, adding and subtracting. Okay, so let's take a look at this algebraic expression. In order to add or subtract algebraic expression, it is like combining like term. It means what? It means that you must have similar term to be able to add or subtract. If you don't have similar term, then you cannot add or subtract. Okay, remember, you already know what similar term look like, right? For example, 2x plus 2x, 2 banana added to banana, or 4 banana. Remember what I said? I said that banana and apple, you cannot add it together. Okay, so let's jump to our first example right away. Let's use different color. Example 1. Okay, so I have two algebraic expressions like this. The first one is 3x squared plus 3x plus 5. That's the first one. I added to the second one, 2x squared minus 3x minus 10. So I have two algebraic expressions like this, and you see that I put a parenthesis over there, but actually it doesn't matter because this is addition. If it's subtraction, then it does matter, but because it's addition, so I can go ahead and throw away the parenthesis. I throw it away. And I'm looking for, next step is I'm looking for similar term. So I'm going to circle all similar term together. So this is similar term. And this is similar term to that. Okay. The second similar term is this 3x and negative 3x here. Okay. So 3x positive 3x and negative 3x, so it's cancelled out because it's minus 3x minus 3x is 0. So this is gone, all gone. All I have here, similar term, is 3x squared plus 2x squared. Okay, with same denomination, so it give you 5x squared. And the last term, this constant term, you combine with the 5, so 5 minus 10. 5 minus 10 is negative 5. So that will be your final answer. When you add into algebraic expression, you can throw away the parentheses. Okay. Second example. Okay. In this example, I will learn how to subtract algebraic expression. So I see that I also include parentheses. I also include parentheses. Okay, and because I include the parentheses, so if you throw away parentheses, especially the parentheses that has minus in the front, then you have to change the sign of each term over here. So this is plus, then it becomes minus x squared. This is minus, and it becomes plus, and this is plus to become minus. Okay, then I'm looking for similar terms. So this is a similar term with this, right? And this one is similar term with this, right? Okay, and the last one is this one and this one. Alright, now I'm gonna just go ahead and combine all similar terms together. So 5x squared minus x squared is 4x squared. 3x plus 2x is 5x. Negative 2, negative 9, and negative 7 is negative 9. So that will be your final answer. Okay, that's the second example. Now, if I have something with parentheses, example 3, I have something simple first. Okay, what if I have x minus 1, I want to multiply by x plus 3. So in order to do this, you're going to apply distributive property. So I'm going to start following each term to each term. I'm going to take each term on the first parenthesis, multiply by each term on the second parenthesis. So I can draw the arrow like this. So I can start multiply like this. This go to this, this go to that, and this go to this, this go to that. Okay, and what I have, so x times x is x squared, right? X times 3 is 3x, right? So I finished the top arrow. Now the bottom arrow, negative 1 times x is negative x. Make sure you have to multiply the sign. So negative 1 times positive 3 is negative 3. Then now I'm going to combine that term. So x squared, you cannot do anything. 3x minus x is 2x minus 3. So that will be your answer. Okay. Now in the next example, example number 4, the problem will be a little bit harder. So we have 3x squared plus 3x plus 5 minus 2x squared minus 3x minus 10. How are we going to do this? So you see this is multiplication. So every time you have multiplication and the number or anything in front of parentheses, you're going to apply distributive property also. It means that you're going to start following. So this go to this go to that, and this go to this. Okay, likewise this go to this go to that, and this go to this. And don't forget, when you do that, you have to include a sign. Okay, So over here, positive 3 is for 3 times x squared, 3x squared. 3 times 3 is 9x. 3 times 5 is 15. Now, negative 2 times x squared is negative 2x squared. Negative times negative 3 is positive 6x. Negative 2 times negative 10 gives you positive 20. Okay, positive 20. So what I have over here after I distribute is I'm gonna look for similar term. Okay, so let's look for the similar term. So the similar term I can see here is this one, right, and this one. That's one of them. The second one will be what? Will be this one and this one, right? This, right? And the last one will be the number. So the last one will be the number. So will be this and this, right? Okay. Now we're gonna combine like term. So let's combine like term. So 3x minus 2x squared gives you x squared, right? 9x plus 6x is 15x. 15 plus 20 is all positive, so give you 35. So this will be your final answer. Okay, so that is how you add, you subtract, and you multiply algebraic expression together. Alright, so on the second part of the lecture today, I think I'm gonna put, because I do multiplication over here already, so I'm gonna put over here multiplying. So on the second part of our lecture, I will be talking about application. How we're gonna use adding, subtracting, combining line term to solve word problem. So application. Okay, let me pull up the question here. Let me see. Look like this one, I believe so. Okay. Very interesting problem. Okay. Alright. Solution. So let's read the problem together first. So this is the first question. We're going to do the second question also. After studying 2 years worth of sale record, the owner of popular boutique has found that she can sell 400 yards per month of a brand of bath beads that was featured on a Shark Tank when she was priced them at $12. So these two information, they tell you a lot of things. So it means that if you price them at $12, you can sell at 400. Okay, when she temporarily lowered the price at 10, then she sold 480 per month. So what we have over here, we need to determine the variable, the quantity. So the first quantity we can see here is what? Is yard. The second quantity is dollar. So if I'm doing the summary, so I can write like this. I can write that, let's use yellow color. I can write that 400 yards sold per month at $12 each. Okay, but if he lower the price at $10 each, then he can sell more. He can sell 480 yards. So this is information. Okay, this information is very important. Okay. All right. So we need to, so this is the two quantity in the equation, because the equation, in the first question, they're asking you to find the equation if the relation between the price and the sale, is linear. So this information is also important. It's linear. Write the equation related to the price P to the number of year B. So price look like price P to number of year. Okay. So look like the price P over here is the dependent variable, because the price it depends related to the price P to the number of years. It depends on the number of years, right? Depends on the number of years. Okay. When she priced them at 12 per month, when she temporarily lowered the price to 10, she can show. Okay. All right. So I'm going to write equation. So I'm going to use, because the equation should be in the form P equal to mx plus b. So they already give you a hint right here, which is really good right here. So P is the price, x represent what? X represent the number of year. It represent the number of year, which is really, really good. Okay, so the information over here is nothing but a point on the line, so I can write it as I can rewrite this in terms of coordinate point. So this is nothing but this is nothing but 412 here, and this is 480 and 10. Right? Yes, because that's the price. Okay, now we want to write the equation for the price P to the number of years. So price P is actually dependent variable. Okay, so they give you this, so it means that we can find the slope. So from here I can find the slope will be y2 minus y1, so it will be 12 minus 10 over 400 minus 480. So it look like our slope will be negative 0.025. You go ahead and plug into calculator. Okay, so that's the M. Then we can write using the point slope form. So it will be P minus, I'm going to pick a point. So I'm going to pick this one because this is 10. So it will be a P minus, you can pick this one, but I'm going to pick the second one. Y equal to P minus 10 equal to negative 0.0025. Okay, X minus 480. Okay, I'm sorry. So P over here is independent. I'm sorry, not dependent. Oh, I'm sorry. No, I'm sorry. This is dependent. I'm sorry. So, all right. Because P depends on X. Okay, so this dependent. So from here we have a point slope form. So in order to get the slope intercept form, so we just go ahead and expand them. Plus this one, you go ahead use calculator really quick. So I will have, okay, plug it in, 12. Okay, then from here I get negative 0.025x plus 22. So this is the answer. That's the equation. The price equation depend on the price equation depends on x. X is the number of yards. Okay. Yes. Okay. So that is the solution for question 1. For question 2, let me see. I can pull up question 2. Question 2. I don't know which one it actually. This capture question 2 should look like this one. Maybe this one. Okay. So question 2, they asking you for what? They asking you write equation that represent the revenue, okay, by using R equal X times P. So that's easy because they already give it to use. So R is the revenue equal to X times P. P is the price equation. The price equation we already calculated. This is what is the price equation is negative 0.025x plus 22, right? So remember last time we got it here, right here. Okay, so that's the price equation. So if you multiply by the number right equation that represent the revenue made on the back bid for our boutique owner. So X is represent the back bid. Okay, the back bid. Okay, the number of units sold. I don't know about using yes, so that question 2. Alright, so that's very easy. Well, you can just go ahead and distribute it. So go ahead and distribute it because you already learned how to multiply algebraic expression on the first part. So it will be 0.025x squared plus 2x. There you go. Now part 3. Let's see part 3. So that's this capture 1, capture 2. So question number 3 right here. Okay. Let's read problem together. The portion of the with a fixed monthly cost. Fixed cost over here to back with is 325. So that was fixed cost, and the cost of each year back with from side. Each of them is 3.5. So right equation represent the total cost. We already learned, right? We already know the total cost will be the fixed cost plus the rate, right? Plus the rate over here is the $3.5 for, so will be C equal to 3.5. X represent the number year of bath bid. Okay, the number of year of bath bid. Okay, the same thing over here. X represent the number of year bath bid. Same thing. Okay, so they measure in jar. Okay, so plus the cost will be fixed cost will be 325 times the cost of how to make each year of bath bid. Okay, so it's the number of each year. This is number of year of bath bid multiplied by 3.5. Okay, the cost. Okay, from the supplier is 3.5. So this should be the equation for the cost. Okay. All right. In question number 4. Question number 4. Let's see. It should be this, I believe so. I save it. I don't know which one. Hopefully this one. Nope, not that one. Wrong one. So not that one. So let me see which one. I can't see this. Maybe this, or maybe this. Hopefully this one. Nope, not this one either. Sorry guys. Must be somewhere. I saved it somewhere. I don't know where. Is this capture? Is this one? Hopefully this one. There you go. Okay. So in this question, they ask you to find the equation for the profit. So you mean the profit is the amount of money that you put into your pocket. Okay, after you pay all the labor, after you pay all the rent, so that the profit, the amount of money you put into your pocket, and the profit equation will be formula will be profit equal to revenue minus cost. Okay, so we already have revenue is right here, right? And cost is right here, so the profit could be revenues could be negative 0.0025x squared plus 2x. Alright, minus the cost, so minus of the whole thing, so you have to put parentheses. Alright, then in order to simplify, you're gonna change the sign inside the parentheses because it's the minus in the front. I already say that. You distribute it, the minuses, so negative 3.5x minus 325. Okay, then you combine like term, negative 0.025x squared, 2x minus 3.5x. Oh, this should be 2. I think I put it as 22. I'm sorry, it's 22x. I believe I put 22 last time also. Let's see. Yeah, this is 22. I don't know why I put only 2. Revenue when it costs. Let me go back to this one. The first page, and then I put 22 on a. Yeah, this is 22. You see, I don't know why I changed to 2. Okay, so this 22. So this could be 22 minus the 3.5. So give you put into calculator real quick. Okay, to give you 18.5x minus 325. So this will be the equation for the profit. Okay. Now, what if the guy, the guy sell 200 yards of bath bits per month? How much profit he will make? So if selling 200 yards of bath bits per month, then in order to make the profit, in order to find the profit for this selling, okay, 200 yards, so basically you just need to go ahead and plug it in. So 200 here square plus 18.5, 200 here minus 325. Right, you plug everything in, and should give you the profit. The amount of money you make will be 2,375. This is the amount of money you put into your pocket after paying everything else. Okay, after paying the labor, everything else. Okay, so this is the extra question I probably ask you on the test. Okay, So that's it for section 4.8, and again, this is the last video. So after this video we have our test and final exam, and I wish you luck on the final exam and the test, and hopefully I can see you next semester in a higher level. If you have any question, do not hesitate. Send me the message on Canvas. I will try to reply as soon as I can. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.